Let's understand what exactly Fabric mean and what's the main purpose and the details about our course. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch from the basics from today. Need your support? Good to have some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen if possible to stay tuned, because my classes will be into technical zone with detailed notes, step-by-step practice items, lengthy curriculum, so need your support. Please get some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen please, if possible. Please get an observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen please. I'll provide the detailed class notes, but good to have your own observation notes. And you'll WhatsApp me your observation notes after the class. Please get some observation notes. Please, my kind request. Let's get started slowly. Let's understand what is Fabric and why we need it. Let's get started now. Before we learn what is Microsoft Fabric, let's understand firstly what is database. Let's start from the scratch. Database, a platform to store any type of data and any amount of data fully secured. There are two types of databases: OLTP, online transaction processing databases to store live real-time data, and other one, data warehouse. Purpose of data warehouse to store historical data like old inactive data. What is it? Historical data, also called the old inactive data. Next, now what exactly we do from tomorrow? Yes, we are into Fabric, mean we are into data warehouse. Remember, the DWH is there, right? That is our actual path from tomorrow's class. So as a data engineer, we are involved in dealing with various types of data sources, load data into the warehouse. On my screen now, from tomorrow, we need to deal with various OLTP data sources. OLTP means online transaction processing databases. We need to work with various OLTP as well as files, structured, unstructured files and apps. Get the data to the warehouse. To make it more clear, here it is, our actual lab plan from tomorrow. We need to read data from various data sources, get the data to data warehouse. Few cases we get data from actual data source like web, file, IoT, etc. But majority cases we get the data from the OLTP databases. Majority cases. In either way, we need to load data to the warehouse. And then finally, we need to perform data analysis and reporting using Power BI. We have separate certification for it, DP 600. Our course from tomorrow, data engineering, is all about DP 700. So from tomorrow, we'll be involved in number one, TSQL data loads, data factory data loads, Power Query, also called data flow, PySpark, and few other environments like KQL, Custom Query Language, and so on. We read the data and place it to warehouse, data warehouse, lake house, data lake, three different options. So the entire red columns, red pillars are our actual cores. ETL pillar and big data storage pillar. From here, in Microsoft Fabric, what we exactly do? Let's get some idea here. Yes, in our classes in Microsoft Fabric from tomorrow, I'll take you to my notes. Yes, here we go. I'll take you to my notes. Here it is. I'll make sure the things are up to date. The entire course is divided into 3 modules. Data Factory and Warehouse module, planned for 2 weeks. Data Flow and Lakehouse module for next 2 weeks. Notebooks and PySpark module for 2 weeks. Total 6 weeks journey. Finally, we need to have DP 700 certification, complete guidance and samples for Fabric engineering. Data Factory and Fabric Warehouse module, we will be involved right from the introduction to workspace components, warehouse creations, connection from Management Studio, our old friend SSMS. So you already have SSMS with you, SQL Server Management Studio. If not, please install 2017 or higher version of SQL Server Management Studio. It is required for Fabric activities. The server looks like this. So abc.datawarehouse.fabric.microsoft.com. Okay, this is how you get the server. Next, apart from this, after we learn the Fabric warehouse configurations and connections, next, so it looks like this, okay, in this way. So Fabric warehouse, lake house, etc. will be able to connect and start working on the items like this. Right click warehouse, new query. Simple, straightforward process. Once we learn the connections and the warehouse SSMS uses, very important items we need to learn called time travel. We are going to learn in detail like what it is and the implementations. And we'll be learning the supporting scripts, .SQL scripts. Like this, like how to perform time travel. Make it neat and sweet, step by step. And how to get back accidental DML activities. How to recover back the data, like mistaken updates or deletes. Zero copy cloning, reporting activities on top of cloning. And then need for data factory, ETL. There's something called aggregated loads, staging loads, blob data loads, on-premises data like your local SQL to Fabric. We have copy job items, control table templates we are going to learn. And we have Fabric data factory with other modules called data flow, notebook, data flow and notebook together. Here we need to learn the other module, data flow with lake house. Here we'll be learning something called lakehouse concepts. Data flow with lakehouse. Various concepts of data flow called Power Query. Lakehouse with single table, multi-table data load, something called visual queries. And few assignments. Then we have other one, PySpark module. In this module, we'll be learning open source items, Spark databases, and Fabric notebooks, Spark environments and Spark SQL, TSQL notebooks. Difference between Spark SQL and TSQL towards notebooks. We need to learn about PySpark notebooks in Fabric. We'll take open source first, Fabric next. Then comes something called medallion architecture, something called aggregated data loads like bronze, silver, gold. Their implementation activities we need to learn. And Python. To implement medallion, we require Python. We are not into Python programming, but whatever Python required for our ETL operations, we need to take it in our classes, like PySpark notebooks, data lake, delta tables, merge activities, optimizations, something called layouts and security. We'll be learning all these items carefully. At the end, we have something called KQL databases and query sets. Here comes something called Streamhouse activities. We are going to learn all the items like step by step, detailed notes. And then we'll be taking end-to-end project work for our resume. No doubt, things will be very much streamlined, but let's make sure we do on-time practice throughout the course. With this, we'll wait for some time. Let's go for doubts, clarifications, if any. And then we'll continue with the concept of Fabric account creation. We'll do it slowly. Any questions, please let me know before we start our Fabric account creation and other activities. Please, I'll wait for some time. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait.
So this is
Yes.
Rahul.
Tell
So
me,
I was
please.
also attending your Azure Data Factory classes.
Okay.
Can we relate this with the Data Factory also? Azure Data Factory
Definitely.
also?
Definitely, you can. Yes. In Azure, we have something called Synapse, right? Synapse.
Yes.
Those Synapse data warehouse can be migrated to Fabric warehouse. Could you please mute your mic, sir, please, if you don't mind, please? Thank you. I repeat the answer again for everyone. There we have Fabric, there we have Azure Data Factory. Here we have Fabric Data Factory. There Azure Warehouse, SQL Pool. Here Fabric Warehouse. Purpose is same. Further, we can also do migrations. Synapse data warehouse from Azure, we'll be understanding how to migrate it to Fabric here. Yes, Rahul, we can relate in multiple aspects. We can, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're welcome. Next question, please. I'll wait.
So the only prerequisite we have before next class would be installing SSMS 2017 or further, right?
Exactly, you are right. SSMS
Yep.
2017 or higher should be enough. Should be enough. Yes.
Okay. Yep. And also, right after the classes, would we also be getting the recording of the same day class
Yes.
so that maybe we
Yeah,
can go
same
through
day
it? Yeah.
class.
Perfect.
Exactly. You
Thank
get
you.
the notes in advance and video after the class every day. Yes, you do get it here.
Great. Thank you.
Yep. Next question, please. I'll wait. Others, any more questions, please? I'll wait. Fine. Let's continue. From here, let's understand slowly how to step into Fabric. Here you go on my screen. Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end analytics solution for number one, data engineering. Number two, real-time data analytics. Also, it is an excellent solution for BI implementation. BI is nothing but engineering plus analytics and data science, not completely but partially. Why Fabric? You have multiple solutions outside like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, etc. Why Fabric? Here it is, the prominent data engineering solutions. Number one, Azure. Number two, Fabric. Number three, AWS. Number four, Google Cloud. And number five, Snowflake. But why Fabric? Number one, easier integration between data engineering and analytics, everything in a single roof. Faster deployments due to its simplified and uniform interface, simple and straight, and unified license for ETL, data warehouse and analytics. We need not pay for each component separately. And very fast warehousing concepts, very fast warehouse operations. Unlike Snowflake or Azure or even Spark clusters, we need not wait for spinning up the clusters or the warehouse to get online. It's very fast and straight. Number five, cheaper. Number six, pay as we use. If you take Azure or other clouds, we need to pause as and when needed. It is immediate auto pause. We need not pause the pools. We need not pause the warehouse. Immediate auto pause. And the timeout can be customized. With all these advantages of Fabric, what we do from tomorrow? Let's see. Yes, we are here to design data warehouses. In fact, we extract data from various structured and unstructured data sources. We design warehouses and we implement transformations or data mashup activities. Next, we analyze the data and we maintain big data stores, something called warehouse, lake house, Spark databases, etc. We are going to manage them, maintain them. Okay, with this information, how to implement this data engineering activities? Let's see. Simple, straightforward process. So the prerequisite, just install SQL Server and Management Studio 2017 or higher. Next, let's see how to perform these implementations. Okay, a simple, straightforward activity. How do we do that? Let's see the example items. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 are the basic items. We are going to start our practice tomorrow. For that, in addition to SQL Server installation, so here it is, prerequisites to start with my Fabric data engineering. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to help you and shape our resume step by step. Prerequisites number 1, install SQL Server 2017 or higher. And you have my website as a reference, sqlschool.com downloads. In this website, you see the downloads for various versions, installation steps, and the video. You may refer to the video if required, and you have the download links. Just download the software 2017 or higher. Okay, next. You're already aware of SQL Server, right? That's my assumption. You're already aware of it. If not, please join my SQL plus Fabric engineering course. So option 1, just to make it clear, option 1, if you are new to database, then my kind request, in such a case, please opt for MS SQL and TSQL, MS SQL TSQL plus Fabric data engineering. If you are new to database or need a revisit or revision, then yes, definitely this works. I have a 400 plus queries course with 30 concepts in detail, pinpoint, except concept 1 remaining all practical. You'll love it. SQL plus data engineer, SQL plus Fabric data engineer combo. You may opt for it if in case you need a revisit, or you recently completed the training from me for SQL. You are good ahead to go for Fabric, or you're already working on SQL with all those concepts. You're good enough to step into Fabric directly. That comes under option 2. So if it is option 2, here it is, just in case. This option 1, to make it clear, I'll mail you all these notes. Option 2, if you are aware of MS SQL and TSQL concepts, okay, then install SQL Server 2017 or higher. Okay, also install SSMS 2017 or higher. In the same download website link, you have both. Next, here we go. I'll put this way. So go to my website, you see server download, tool download. So download 2017 server, 2017 tool, 2019 server, 2019 tool, or 2022. Anything is fine. So any one of these options as you wish. In this case, please opt for only Fabric engineering. It should be enough. This will be the 6 weeks journey. Next, just to make it clear, okay? And in this case, this will be 9 weeks journey, Monday to Friday. Now what next? Here it is. If you plan to start Fabric data engineering directly from tomorrow, for them, please follow below steps to get the Fabric account. Okay, here it is. Number 1, how to create Fabric account. Once you create Fabric account, so here it is, number 6, I'll continue. Number 7, how to create Fabric workspace. Okay, total 2 things we require to get happy start of our classes from tomorrow. Let's see. What is that? Observe carefully. We need to learn from scratch from tomorrow's class. So for that purpose, firstly, we need to have the Fabric account creation. So how to create the Fabric account? Let's see. Simple process. So for this purpose, first, we need to go to this website, app.fabric.microsoft.com. Very first time it will ask you to sign up. Visit step number 1. Visit this website. Sign up with any corporate email address. Okay, like example, your company email or Azure email or Outlook or Office, etc. Anyone. Step 2. Once you sign up, sign into your Fabric account. Or I shall send you, please try to get your own account. If not, I shall send you the login details for Fabric account. It will be free for entire course. And let's make it free for say 2 months. Let's make it for 2 months. Course is for 1.5 months. Let's make it for 2 up to max 2.5 months we can bear. We can provide you the account for you. You please try to get your own account. If not, we'll provide you the account. Once you sign in, what you do, here it is. Visit and then sign in. Once you sign in, I'll just put in a simple way. Sign up and then sign into your Fabric account. Sign into your Fabric account. Go to left side there will be something called workspaces. Right side you have new workspace. I'll show you now. New workspace, create, specify a name. Any name is fine, and create. Here it is. I'll show you. Go to Fabric. This one. This is a first look. Go to Fabric account. So first time sign up. Once you sign up, then see left side workspace. Click on workspace. See new workspace like this. New workspace. Give workspace name. Give workspace name. I'll say workspace for July 1st, 2025, like this. Give some name. Okay. Any workspace name is okay. Anything is fine. Okay. Next. Once we get this workspace ready, next step. Once we get the workspace ready, then what we do, let's see. Simple, straightforward activities. Give some name and click OK. Give some name and click OK. Here it is. Just give some name and click apply. Not OK, apply. OK, workspace is created. Once your workspace is created, remember workspace left side, just like a play area. It is inside the workspace. From tomorrow, we need to define new items. See here, new items. Copy data, copy job, pipeline, data flow gen 1, gen 2, event stream, etc. Okay, different items we need to learn from next classes. So here it is. Either you get the account yourself or use my account. Create a workspace. Once you create workspace, what we do, number 8. How to open the workspace. Once we create the workspace, left side workspace says, right side we see the created workspace. Left side workspaces, and here you will see whatever workspaces we created. For example, July workspace like this. Next. Once you have the workspace ready, next, here you go. What are the various items or various fabric items we can create? We can create inside above workspace. These are actual course from tomorrow. Number 1, we can have ETL items, storage items, analytical items, streaming and monitoring items, and other items. These are all items inside a workspace. Observe carefully. So these are our actual course. We'll do it from tomorrow. I'll provide you all these notes to you today. These 9-point items I'll provide you today. Please see if we can just go through this concept carefully. I'll provide you the course curriculum also. Okay, I'll provide you the course curriculum. Please see if we can just go through it carefully, and do let me know for doubts, clarifications, if any. Please do it for me. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait.
Rahul here. Will there be any issue if I use my my office account, my office mail ID? Uh,
Um, Usually, like no, but still safe if we can contact your admin and get a formal approval. Safe side. Yeah.
okay, thank you.
Or better to use my account directly. Safe,
Okay, thank you.
safe side. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Sir, I have a basic question because
Tell
I
me.
have mostly been working with the legacy systems as of now. But if Azure and Fabric both belong to the same ecosystem, then why is there a need of Fabric? What does it entail? What extra does it bring in? And what was the need of the hour for Microsoft to develop this then?
Here it is, sir. None of them are true for Azure. None
Okay.
of them. For example, it's something like this, brother. If you go to Azure shop, it's like a la carte. Fabric is like a buffet. I mean,
Hmm.
there we have to pay for every menu item individually.
Hmm.
Each ETL we have to pay separately. I'll show you once again here to make it clear. Yeah, this one. See, if it is Azure, we have T-SQL is there, Data Factory in Azure, Power Query is there, PySpark is there. We have to pay for each component separately in Azure. Whereas here it's like a buffet. First thing, number one. Number two, in Azure, we have to pause the services manually. It's auto pause here. Number three, in Azure, we need to have separate tools and other toolkit and applications to integrate. Here we get it more streamlined. And
Hmm.
developer productivity also, number of man hours are very less here. It's more automated with AI. Because of AI, Fabric came into the market, truly speaking. Yes.
Hmm. Okay,
Azure
thank
plus
you.
AI is equal to Fabric, sir. As simple as that. That's my formula. Yep.
Mhm.
Okay. Yep. Next question, please. I'll wait. Well, I'm sending you the complete course curriculum now, just to get some idea. And is the time okay for everyone from tomorrow 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.? Please let me know. Please. Is the time okay for everyone? Let me know, please.
So if possible, can you move like 30 minutes? Uh, can we start late, 30 minutes later, like around 7:30 to 8:30? Will that be okay for everyone?
Okay, you want somewhere from 7:30. Okay, okay. I can surely check about this and update you by tomorrow, Rahul. Or next few hours, I'll update you. I'll do.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Sir, even that would be great for me as well. I have a meeting right at that time. So, yeah.
Okay, timing problem. Okay, understood now. Okay, 7:30 is ideal time for you, right? You mean
Yeah.
it's 7:30 p.m.
Hmm.
Okay, got it. Surely, sure. Just give me some time. Max half an hour to 1 hour. I'll surely check and let you know. I'll do. In the meantime, and others, what about others? Please let me know. Others, I'll wait. Others, please. Is the time okay for everyone? Others, or you want any shift? Or like half an hour early, half an hour late, or something like that? Please let me know. Others, please. I'll wait. Fine. Anyway, I'm sending you the information now. Abhishek, Rahul, and